One boiled egg a day. Sounds simple, right? But here's the surprising part. It supports real changes inside your body. Let's break it down quickly. Number 1. Sharper brain support. Eggs provide choline, which your body uses to support memory, focus, and clear thinking. Something many people notice more as they get older. Quick question for you. Do you usually eat eggs in the morning or not at all? Tell me in the comments. I read and reply to every single one. Number 2. Artery support. A daily egg helps raise HDL, often called the good cholesterol, which supports healthy circulation, especially important after 50. Number 3. Metabolism support. Egg protein helps your body use more energy throughout the day, even during rest. Number 4. Eye protection over time. The yolk contains lutein and zeaxanthin, nutrients that support the eyes and help protect against light-related strain as you age. Number 5. Muscle maintenance. Eggs provide leucine, an amino acid your body uses to support muscle repair and strength. One egg. 5 ways to support your body. Simple food, real benefits. Follow Senior Health Hub for more senior tips to keep you strong, independent, and thriving every single day.